and welcome to Minden's. Minden's are nutritious, delicious meals that you can make in minutes using 5 ingredients or less. I already got started on today's Minden and I'm going to share with you what we're making today. And it is another Indian-inspired dish for all our friends in India, so subscribe to our YouTube because today we are going to use a yellow curry sauce. And I've had a lot of requests from India. We have a lot of friends over there to make an Indian-inspired dish, and this one's for you. So if you have ever had those days where you know you're going to be running around all day and you really don't have time to cook, well, what I did was, in the morning, I threw in a package of chicken thighs into the crock pot, put it on high, and it was done in about 5 hours. Turned off my crock pot. Now you can do this one of two ways. You can finish it off in the crock pot. If you are going to be home and you want to throw these ingredients in your crock pot for the last hour, that's the way to do it. But let's say your chicken's already done and you know later on you want to throw your dinner together. It will take longer to heat up in here and only take like 2 minutes to heat up in here. So we're going to do it on the stovetop today. So we're just going to take our stovetop, put it on, and spray it with a little bit of olive oil spray. Now I have another fun tip for you. When you defrost cauliflower, frozen cauliflower in your microwave, your whole house will have an odor for days. To avoid that, take your riced cauliflower that's frozen and just defrost it in your refrigerator the night before. It will not smell up your house. You'll thank me for it later. So we're going to just use a whole package of the cauliflowered rice. You're going to take your chicken thighs and just put it right on top. These are already done, falling apart, delicious, and it'll heat up literally in about 5 minutes. And if you subscribe to my Instagram page, you will see a finished picture of this product, and you can cook along with me every Monday night on YouTube. Our third ingredient are these roasted red peppers. If you follow Minden's, I use these a lot because they are so tasty and so convenient. I already drained them, and I'm just gonna pop the whole thing on top. Very good. And then the last but not least, and this will be pretty too because you have your red peppers and your beautiful yellow curry, we are going to top it with about 1/4 cup of this curry sauce, and dinner is going to be ready in a minute because it is all cooked. All we're doing is reheating this up. Thank you for joining me today for our Indian-inspired chicken thigh dish. I hope to see you next Monday. Please subscribe. It's free. Tell your friends. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and let's always cook together every Monday on Minden's. Thank you so much.